Hey everyone, today I have a simple yet important equation to solve. 6 times the quantity of 4 minus x equals 2x. We want to find the value of x that makes this equation true. We're going to use a little algebra and the distributive property to solve this equation. So what is the distributive property? Well, it's just a fancy way of saying that we need to multiply the number outside of the parentheses to each term inside the parentheses. This is also the first step to solving this equation. So we will multiply the 6 here on the outside to the positive 4 inside the parentheses to get positive 24. Then we need to multiply the 6 to negative x to get negative 6x. And we need to bring down the 2x. Next, we need to collect the variable terms together on one side of the equation. To do this, I will undo the subtraction of minus 6x. And add 6x to both sides of the equation. On the left side, the negative 6x and positive 6x will cancel each other out, leaving this term of positive 24. And positive 2x plus positive 6x is positive 8x. Now I can solve for x by undoing the multiplication of positive 8 times x. To undo the multiplication, I will divide by positive 8 on both sides of this equation. On the right side, the positive 8's will cancel each other out, leaving just the x, and positive 24 divided by positive 8 is positive 3. So the solution for this equation is x equals positive 3. But let's check my answer by substituting the positive 3 in place of x. We'll start on the left with 4 minus 3, which will leave us with 6 times 1. And on the right side, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. And since 6 times 1 is also 6, we have a balanced equation and a true solution. If you have found any part of this video helpful so far, go ahead and like it right now. Liking the video helps support the channel and lets me know that you benefit from this type of content. Now this next equation requires me to use the distributive property on both sides of the equal sign. Keep in mind here that it doesn't matter which side of the equation you start with first. So I'm just going to start on the left side. I'll begin by distributing or multiplying the positive 2 to the positive y to get positive 2y. And 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. On the right side here, I have positive 4 times positive y to get positive 4y. And 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Next, I'm ready to collect the like terms together. I'll start by removing the positive 2y on the left side of this equation by subtracting 2y on both sides. Back on the left side, the positive 2y and negative 2y cancel each other out, leaving the negative 6. And on the right side, 4y minus 2y is positive 2y, and I'll bring down the minus 16. Now I need to remove the negative 16 on the right side by adding 16 to both sides. The negative 16 and positive 16 will cancel each other out, leaving the 2y, and on the left side, negative 6 combined with positive 16 will equal positive 10. The last step here is to solve for y by using division by 2 to undo the multiplication of 2 times y. So let's go ahead and divide each side by 2. On the right side, the positive 2's will cancel each other out, leaving just the y, and 10 divided by 2 is positive 5. Don't forget, we need to check my answer by substituting the positive 5 in place of y. Starting on the left, 5 minus 3 is 2, and on the right, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we have 2 times 2, which is 4, and 4 times 1, which is 4. Since both sides have the same value of positive 4, we know the solution of y equals 5 is a true solution. Now here is one to try on your own. If you don't need this extra practice, thank you for watching, and there is a link above here to more math tutorials that might be helpful to you. Otherwise, you can pause this video, and when you are done, come on back and you will see the solution. To begin, you needed to use the distributive property by multiplying the 3 to the terms inside the parentheses. Then collect the like terms together by removing the positive 3k and then positive 5. Now you are ready to solve for k by undoing the multiplication of 4 times k. And your solution should have been -2 equals k. Now a quick check of your answer by substituting the -2 in place of k, and you can confirm that you are correct. Watch these videos next for more awesome math. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.